Hello, in this video we will learn how to send WooCommerce order status notifications from WhatsApp. So let's go to Automation Builder. Here we'll add trigger first. Go to webhook, select custom webhook, give an appropriate title and then generate hook. I will copy this URL. Now go to WordPress dashboard. Here go to WooCommerce settings, advanced, click on webhooks and now add webhook. You can give an appropriate name here. Status will be active. Topic will be order updated. URL will be the webhook URL. Select appropriate API version and then save webhook. Now in our automation builder, let's click on capture incoming webhook and place a test order. So again we'll go to WordPress dashboard. Here we'll click on visit site. I'm adding this to cart. Proceed to checkout. Add all your details here and then place order. We can see here we have received data. So this is the order details. Now as we know, status can be basically of three types: on hold, processing and completed. So let's add a basic router here first. To add a basic router, we will have to click on this, add basic router, and now let's add three strings first. Click on setup filter. Now let's keep the first one as on hold. So add first condition, status is on hold, and then save this. In the second string, the filter will be processing. So condition will be status is processing. Save this, and the third string will be status as completed. Now if the status is on hold, let's add a template message here. So we'll go to CRM, send template message. Now here the template message we are sending is this. So order status, hello, name, your order status is this. So we have two variables here. WooCommerce order status. WhatsApp number will be the phone number we have here. So this is under billing head. Here we'll select phone. We can add country code here, as most of the people when they enter their details they directly write their number. Here body variable 1 will be name and body variable 2 will be status. In a similar way, we can add template message after processing and completed. Now here, if the status is completed, after sending a template message, we can add a time delay, for example for 7 days, and then send another template message asking for feedback from the customer. So to add time delay, we'll select delay, time delay relative. My unit will be week and time period will be 1, and I can save this. And in the next block, I can add another template message.